In Chaoyang Village, southwest China's Guizhou province, 74-year-old Hu Guangming has kept a piece of guarantee paper for 46 years.
保证说，敬爱的父亲，我夫妇二人自愿向父亲保证如下：保证我不赶走北河，保证我要爱护父亲遗留下来产物和栽培的树木果树不体砍损坏。此证保证人胡光明、王天珍，76年6月4号。
Hu Guangming and his wife wrote the guarantee paper in 1976. They have kept the promise since then.
这个工具是父辈传下的，专门是保护北河的。经常打，他是挺习惯的，他不怕的。其他的侵犯北河的野兽啊、动物啊，把他吓跑的。爷爷、父亲、我、儿孙都是保护，都是代代要相传的。
Thanks to the protection of 5 generations, the number of local egrets has grown from only 1 pair to nearly 1,000 today. Every year, Hu Guangming plants new trees behind their old house along with his children and grandchildren to enlarge the home for the increasing number of birds.
爸爸是非常喜欢回老家来的，然后就是会拉着我们一起回来，然后抓动物呀，包括这些动物啊，看一下呀。